Another myth, we feminists want to replace patriarchy with matriarchy. Can you believe such myths about us? I believe purposely spread to demonize feminism. This question totally betrays a misunderstanding of feminism. Or, as I said, it is an attempt to discredit feminism. A question like this is raised by people who cannot accept or imagine equality between the genders. Some people can only think in terms of hierarchy and inequality. If men do not dominate, they think women will dominate. Whereas feminists believe the opposite of patriarchy is not, cannot be matriarchy. Matriarchy will be another form of domination and hierarchy. Hence, it will be as oppressive, unfair, and unacceptable to us feminists, just as patriarchy is. We do not want one evil to be replaced by another, or female dictators taking the place of male dictators. No way. Can one imagine being happy if instead of our daughters, our sons were in bondage? And if instead of female infanticide or feticide, we had male infanticide or feticide? Is that even imaginable? Feminists are against bondage, hierarchy, and inequality of all kinds. We are for freedom, equality, and justice for all. And all includes boys and men.
From patriarchy,
Azadi.
from all hierarchy,
Azadi.
from endless violence,
Azadi.
from helpless silence,
Azadi.
for walking freely,
Azadi.
for talking freely,
Azadi.
for dancing madly,
Azadi.
for singing loudly,
Azadi.
for self-expression,
Azadi.
for celebration.
Azadi.
We love it madly.
Azadi.
Come say it loudly.
Azadi.
Azadi.